Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can save and export projects in Photopea. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and open up your image or the project that you want to save from Photopea. In my case, I'm going to be saving this very simple photo that's been rotated right here. And right after that, what we can do is to head over to the file option. Now to save our project, you then want to click on the save as PSD right here. Now a PSD file is basically a file from Photoshop. When you save a file from Photoshop or Photopea, you can then save it as a PSD. So just click on the save as PSD. I'll simply save it to my desktop, and from here I'll go ahead and name this Photopea project. Hit on the save button, and from there you then want to confirm it by heading over onto your desktop and making sure that the file has been saved properly. So it's going to be this one right here, and if we simply click on the open project, I'll just click on the Photopea project right here. It will then open up the same project, which is going to be this one. Now to confirm that we have successfully saved our project, I'll just do it once again, which is opening up the project that we have saved. And as you can see, it will basically show us the same thing. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.